Hi guys, how are you? Can you see me? No? Hi guys, how are you? How are you on this Sunday? I look a mess because I am cooking. Um, and let's see, let me move some of this here out the way. How are you on this Sunday? I decided to bring you guys into the kitchen with me as I'm cooking. I am cooking shrimp, steak, baked potato, and Caesar salad. And so I just thought that I am going to start doing some cooking videos with Taliyah and I. It's this time of the year where Taliyah and I both like ginger. We like pumpkin. So during this time of the year, I'm going to try to experiment with some different pumpkin recipes because we really like pumpkin. We tried a pumpkin French toast with puree, pumpkin puree, and it was okay. It was okay. But we also then turned around about some pumpkin spice. We saw these recipes on TikTok. So we also saw a pumpkin spice recipe. So we're gonna be making some French toast with pumpkin spice and making bacon with it. And like I said, we love pumpkin this time of year. What kind of flavors do you guys like this time of year? This time of year during fall, during the Christmas season and all that stuff, during the holiday seasons, we like eggnog, anything with eggnog. We like pumpkin flavors this time of year. We like ginger flavored stuff. Somebody had a ginger shake one year that was so bomb. Anywho, how are you guys doing on this Sunday? You're cooking with Yvonne and Taliyah today. Um, what did you do today? Did you go to church? Did you attend church service? Did you go out to eat with your family? What did you guys do on today? All I did was run some errands, go to the grocery store, and things like that. Say hi, Taliyah.
Hi guys! I hope you guys are having a good Sunday night.
No. Okay.
And I hope you guys have a lot of fun. You guys had a lot of fun at church. And you guys had a fun day. And let me tell you. We had a pretty good day today.
Yep, and we had a good weekend. Again, in a separate vlog, I told you guys that we did what, Taliyah? Your mama's birthday was Friday.
We went skating on Friday.
We went skating on Friday.
And it was really fun. I really need to learn how to do tricks while skating. People are going backwards, and going side to side, and doing all sorts of stuff. Well, I can do anything.
That you put your...
That I put my mind to. Period.
Okay, give me a second. Hi. So you're on camera and them shorts are really, really short. No, I need for you to go put on something else as far as your shorts. If you're going to help me in the kitchen. You're done? Because next time I want you to fully help me cook. Because that's too short for you to be on camera. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm back. So let me show you what my steak is looking like. Let me turn it over first. Hold on a second. Ooh. I need to turn it down some. So I'm gonna add some garlic butter to this for my steak. I kind of left it on too long on one side. I typically don't do that. I'm typically really good about cooking steak. So let me show you. This is my steak. So I'm going to add this garlic butter to it. Give me just a second to open it up for you guys. Excuse the kitchen, excuse my mess. I'm in the process of moving. Anyway, as I told you in the previous vlog that my lease is up in October, so everything is kind of like a mess right now. Here's the living room. Everything is kind of a mess right now. Excuse the blinds. One of my grandchildren pulled my blind out. Well, chopped it off rather. So anywho, this is what the garlic butter looks like. See that? That I got from the store. Garlic and herb. I'm sorry, garlic and herb. So I'm gonna add this to this. I did turn the eye down some because I had it up too high. Because normally I like my steak to look pretty. I don't like it to be charred or anything. So I'm going to add that, which I have. Added some butter. I'm going to add the other one. Excuse the mess that you're seeing. I don't have a vlog stand. So I'm basically just holding this with my hand, trying to let you guys see. So excuse me if the video is all over the place. Put a little bit over the top. Sorry. I'm also gonna do some shrimp. This is gonna be looking good, guys. I always like to put onion and bell pepper. I forgot to get me some bell pepper. I usually cut up onion and bell pepper with my steak and put it in there. But I am out of bell pepper right now. So that was the garlic and herb. I'm gonna turn it down just a little bit. And then I'm going to put on, like I said, excuse the mess, guys. Me trying to hold this and talk at the same time. It looks good so far. Looks pretty good. All right, so let me go ahead and turn the camera back around, and I'm going to show you the shrimp in just a second, what I do to it. Okay, give me just a second to show you the shrimp. What did I do with the pot? Here it is right here. So I'm going to show you the shrimp for a second. This is my shrimp. I've already seasoned it. I do put onions in it. And then I'm going to soak it in butter. I'm going to melt butter and I'm going to soak it in butter. So that's how everything is looking. And then we're going to have this salad right here. I'm going to have Taliyah get a...
like after you... Oh, you did.
I did.
Okay,
I'm gonna fix this salad with it, Caesar salad. And then we're going to do a baked potato with cheese and sour cream and all that. It's going to be good. Let's put this in here. Put it on 6 minutes in there. Okay. You might want to get a plate. Again, excuse the mess, guys. That's the shrimp. Yeah, we just got home a few minutes ago. I haven't had time to clean. There's the shrimp. There's the steak. Everything is looking good. Let me get the butter in here. Hold on. Okay, Taliyah. Okay, give me a second. I'm going to have Taliyah get the big blue bowl to put the salad in.
I'll get it. Can I open this first? I'm trying to get the plate. So that I can put the pan in there.
I don't know if I'm going to put this mixed garlic in there or not. So I'm going to be using this. Sometimes I use the Caesar. I'll see how much Caesar dressing they have in here, but sometimes they don't put enough. So I may just use this. I'm going to be using butter. I do like salted butter, guys. I may put a little bit of minced garlic in with my with the shrimp. And I like this kind of cheese in there, Parmesan Romano, in my salads. And I also like feta cheese in my salads, but I didn't get any today. So. What are you guys cooking on this Sunday? Excuse my shirt. Guys, like I said, I just got back from running errands, so I didn't have a chance to. Girl, what are you doing behind me? Silly. So our birthdays are coming up, and we're pretty excited about. Well, I'm kind of sort of excited because I'm moving. You know, just around that time, like that's kind of putting a damper on things. I really would love for us to be able to go somewhere. Taliyah wanted to have a hotel slumber party. I'm going to do my best to try to get us a room. I don't know how I'm going to swing it though, to be honest, with me having to move and moving expenses. And
it's okay if you don't want to do it. You can just have it here. Okay, I understand.
I'm not going to have it here, Leah.
Okay.
Because we'll have to pack up everything and it'll be boxes and stuff like, yeah, no.
Yeah, I understand.
So,
I just now thought about that.
Try to see if you can find the big blue bowl. See if it's over there to put the salad in.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I didn't take it out yet.
Okay, guys. This is how the steak is looking. I'm gonna try to turn it over again. Not try. I think I need to cook it more on this side. It's already charred on this side. That's gonna be tender because it was already pre-marinated. Oh gosh, it's gonna be good.
This is that garlic and curd butter. Y'all got that from Heidi. Y'all have a Heidi near you? See if y'all like that butter. It's really good. Look. My taste buds will tingle.
Taliyah is getting ready to put the salad in here. Hi, pretty girl.
Hi. Nina, when you say I'm a pretty girl, you're pretty too.
Thank you, baby.
Oh, I forgot about this. Now, are you sure this will be enough for us?
Yeah, it's just the two of us, baby. So she's doing the salad. It does come with its own cheeses and stuff, but I just tend to like that Romano Italian cheese.
Oh no.
Excuse our junk drawer here. Like I said, the house is a mess, guys. This is what the steak is looking like. This is what the shrimp is looking like. I put 1 stick of butter into the shrimp. I usually put 1 whole stick in there. Let me see. I know I shouldn't be losing plasticware, guys, but just bear with me. Like I said, everything is kind of, not everything, but some things are just kind of in a disarray because we're moving and trying to get rid of some things and all of that. So, but yeah, this is what it's looking like. This is what this is looking like.
Do you want me to put this in here?
Baby. Taste it first. Open it and taste it and see if you like it.
Okay.
This is going to be really good.
It looks good.
It does. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It is so delicious.
You sound like me.
I do.
Yes.
Oh, I forgot to put the garlic in there. Hold on, guys.
I don't even like it. It's like bird feet.
This is my logo, business logo, guys. Then I'm going to be putting on t-shirts. I'm going to have an athletic wear, and I'm going to do a print on demand. I pray that you guys will support me. I think my logo is so cool. It symbolizes winning. And it's all about my faith. Because, you know, that's what's getting me through this tough time that I'm going through. So I just wanted to show you my logo. Let me know what you guys think in the comments or whatever. I think it's pretty cool. So stay tuned for that. The next place that I live in, I want to do black and white. I'm really into the black and white theme stuff right now. And so I want to do more black and white. This furniture right here with all this stuff that's on it that I didn't know was on it, I'm going to get rid of. Because I really just want a black sofa. I want something that's not going to get dirty all easy. So I am getting rid of most of this stuff. Only thing I'm going to keep is my bed, my queen bed, and my 70-inch Samsung TV. But if I get a good offer, I'll sell it. If I get a good offer, I'll sell it. Hi, baby.
Hi, Nana. Did you want me to add the breadcrumbs? Because I accidentally poured it in here. I wasn't trying to pour it in yet.
You probably wasn't supposed to put the salad in yet. Because I didn't know for sure that I wanted to use... Oh, you didn't use that salad, right? Okay, that's fine if you use the one that came with it.
Yeah.
Look at how good the salad looks good, guys.
This is making me hungry. I want to eat this. If I could, I would eat all this salad.
It looks good, Taliyah. All right, so I'm going to turn it back around. Somebody's birthday is coming up and they'll be 11. Her birthday is the 12th of October and my birthday is the 12th of October. So, turn it back to me now so I can put this down so I can check on the baked potato. We're going to plate it and show them how we plate it. Yeah, that'll be cool. I'll call it back.